He's a bad beast on that barbecue, on the grill or the smoker. He knows just what to do. He's a bad beast on that barbecue.
Hey, what's going on, guys? Hey, welcome back to another episode of Bad Beast Barbecue. I hope you can hear me. I'm using the mic on the phone. I'm outside trying to do a quick video. As you know, the weather in the United States has been frigid for the last few weeks. We've been having single-degree digit weather here, plus the wind chill factor has been in the minus. But today we got 54 degrees out here. It's a nice sunny day. As you can see, even the water on our little subdivision lake is thawed out a little bit. So we're gonna get out here and try to do some chicken wings today. As you can see, I got my libations, my crown, and I got my cigar. So I'm gonna sit out here for a little while and kind of enjoy this. As you can see, we got the Rectech 680 in the back. If you can hear it, she's firing up to 300 degrees. So we're gonna be doing some wings today. Just gonna be doing some bourbon hot wings, which will be a good appetizer for the Super Bowl that's coming up. So hey, sit back, relax. We're gonna do this quick prep work, and we're gonna put our sauce together when they're done, and we'll tell you exactly how they come out. This is kind of a new recipe for us, but it's pretty simple, and we'll see exactly what happens. So hey, stick around. Okay guys, so here we have about 5 pounds of chicken wings that have been washed, and we are thoroughly drying them off. Normally we would cut the tips off of our chicken wings, but this time we decided to leave them on. We're going to be using Buffalo Trace bourbon as a binder. You can use whatever bourbon you want to use. This is just to intensify the bourbon flavor that goes along with the sauce. You don't need to use too much bourbon, just enough to wet the wings. We're going to be seasoning it with a little Tony's Creole seasoning. And you can use whatever seasoning you want. Plain salt and pepper, SPG, whatever rub you like. We're going to be going with Tony's today. We're also going to hit them with a little cracked black pepper. I hate these little devices here. I'm going to have to invest in one of those electronic pepper mills. Now we're going to sprinkle these with a little bit of brown sugar. Should add a little sweetness to the entire mix. And we're going to mix the wings together with the brown sugar, the Cajun rub, and the bourbon, and just to make sure that it's well coated. We're adding a little bit more brown sugar and touching up the areas that we missed with a little bit more Tony's. And now we're going to throw them on the smoker at 300 degrees. We're going to cook these for about an hour and a half or so until they have some nice color on them and they cook all the way through. Now it pours a little drink, and we're going to fire up our cigar and sit back and wait for the magic to happen. All right, friends, we got our wings on the smoker. Just a matter of sitting around and waiting for about an hour and a half. We're going to flip them over halfway through and we'll see what we got. So hey, hang around and we're going to show you the final product. Hey, get out and enjoy the weather if it's 54 degrees in your area. Okay, so now that our wings are done, you can see they have a nice mahogany golden color to them. This is exactly how I like my wings. I'm gonna go ahead and pull these off and put them in a bowl and get them prepped for our glaze. We're going to start our glaze off with 1 stick of unsalted butter. Next, we're going to add 1 cup of Louisiana hot sauce. Use whatever hot sauce that you like. Then we're going to add 1/3 cup of brown sugar. We're going to mix this thoroughly and bring it to a simmer. We're going to simmer for about 10 minutes or so, and then remove it from the heat, and then add 1/3 cup of bourbon. Now we're going to pour this all over our wings while they're still hot so they can absorb this glaze. The smell was fantastic. You could smell the bourbon. The sauce does seem a little thin, but I was going for a glaze consistency and not a sauce consistency. And then we moved them to another bowl so that the wings on the bottom of the original bowl wouldn't just be sitting in a bunch of sauce. Alright guys, so we'll go ahead and do this taste test. Now you're not going to get crispy skin on these chicken wings. It's not the goal here. It's more about flavor. So we'll go ahead and taste these bad boys. They smell great. Okay, so what I would do a little bit different is I can taste the sweetness from the brown sugar, the buttery flavor from of course the stick of butter, and the hot sauce. It gets you a little bit back in the back of the throat. I think what I would do differently though, I can barely taste the bourbon. So instead of adding 1/3 cup of bourbon to the sauce, I probably would add more along the line of a 1/2 cup in order to intensify the bourbon's flavor. But it tastes very, very good. I would have thrown on a little bit more Cajun seasoning to intensify the Cajun seasoning. But all in all, this is very, very good. Make a great Super Bowl snack if you got guests coming over, whatever you want to throw us a little bit something different, okay? So, hey, well, thanks for watching. Hey, remember to hit that subscribe button and hit the notification button so you won't miss any of our future videos. And like we always say, where there's smoke, there's fire. If it's fire, then damn it, there just might be a barbecue there. Hey, check out the description block if you want any information on a RecTech smoker or grill, okay? Hey, and as always, we'll see you guys around the smoker. Oh no, they're damn good though. Hey guys, hey, thanks for watching our video and thanks for all the support. If you're interested in another RecTech grill video, hit the first link here at the top. And if you're interested in an indoor cooking video, hey, hit this link down here below. And as always, we'll see you guys around the smoker.